So yeah, so let's get into the first topic, iOS 14. Oof. So
I just
the
saw
basic.
an overview. There's
Oh
a
yeah,
lot
what
of
do you
stuff.
think about it? See, I watched the live stream, right? So I'm overhyped about it
Yeah.
because that is what Apple does.
Fair
And
enough.
being
Fair
an
enough.
Apple fan, it's easy to hype
Get
me.
carried
So what
away.
do you think? Yeah, you watched the MKBHD ka video or some highlight video for it? What do
I
you think?
watched
What
the
do you think?
MKBHD, both videos from MKBHD, and obviously I follow a lot of tech people on
Tech YouTube.
Twitter also. Yeah, I get a lot of my news from Twitter. So I feel for a regular consumer, they are pretty good. I mean, the one thing that stands out for me is the other widgets, right? People are really excited about the widgets
Yeah.
that have existed on Android for a decade, but are finally now in iOS. Let's get over the whole joke of it. It's old now. Okay. So the most exciting thing was the variable widget, right? Where you can overlap to different widgets and
stack.
they change over
Dynamic
time.
stack.
The
That was amazing.
dynamic stack. I think it's called a super stack or something.
Smart stack. No, it's called a smart stack.
It's called
Yeah.
a smart stack.
Yeah.
So according to what time of the day it is, right? So for example, when you wake up in the morning, maybe there's an alarm clock widget on top. Now when you go to have breakfast, it will have I don't know, man, suggested.
News.
It will have news, exactly. It'll have news in the widget.
So
same
exactly.
widget. So it's a
And
smart
I love how
widget,
Apple
essentially.
integrates this AI thing into a lot of stuff.
Into all of their
you guys
stuff.
have no idea what all is coming. Like if you haven't watched the WWDC yet, there is a lot of stuff that isn't being covered by tech reviewers because it is not out yet. It was just announced. But those features are amazing. We'll come to them in a little while. But what I think is this update is just like it's Android with a good-looking UI. What I think of it because of all
That's
the
very
widgets
true.
and
That's very true.
but here it is. No one takes Android updates that seriously. Even in the developer community, they
don't.
do implement the most of the important features, but widgets were used in kind of useless by now because
I don't
widgets are
understand why
very
people-
powerful.
Yeah, I don't understand why people are excited by widgets because I don't use them. I've been using Android forever. I have never felt the need to use a widget.
But that's the thing. Apple does it, and now every developer will have amazing widgets now.
Exactly.
That's the thing. They are gonna be everywhere. Widgets are gonna be the next big thing, because Apple did it. Apple has that developer support, man. That is so important.
It's very important.
And those widgets look better than Android ones. Come on.
They will. 100%. They already look a lot better than Android. Especially the picture-in-picture. Oh, dude, that is so good.
I installed the developer beta on my iPad.
Yeah. Wow.
And I tried the picture-in-picture, and it works flawlessly. Like I have tried Android ka picture-in-picture and idhar ka picture-in-picture, and it is just
way better
here.
than iOS.
I mean, Android wala works. I'll give it that, but either you can resize the window and stuff.
Yeah, in Android, I realized that I can't resize the window, right? I have picture-in-picture, but I can't resize it.
Why?
I can't put it to the side like you can in iOS. That's
the put it to the side feature is so important because there are times when I need the full screen, but I don't want to end the podcast or whatever I'm watching.
It's too good.
And
it's really good.
It wasn't that big a UI overhaul, but they did change a lot of stuff. I hate the new Siri UI. Oh my god. So Pele Siri used to cover the full screen, and I was fine with it. I mean, it never bothered. If I'm using Siri, then I mean, the reason I used Siri was because I was away from the device and I just wanted to get something done through voice.
That's right.
So I didn't care if it can use the entire screen. But abhi it's this circle at the bottom and it looks bad. I mean, I haven't seen it in person, so maybe that's the reason. But
you anyways can't use your screen when Siri is activated.
Yeah, you can just see what's going on beneath it.
Yeah.
So that's true. I think they'll change it with an update, but
they should. They should.
Also, the app library UI sucks, man. Okay. They could have done it so much better. I hate it.
No, it just looks like any other Android
started with this, right?
With
the keynote started with this. I'm like, what are you guys doing? I look up to you for designs, and this is what you have done. So it didn't look great, and the iPad doesn't have the app library, and I don't have an iPhone to test it on. So for me, it looks like I have taken some notes, and I might include some screenshots. There is yuck written everywhere. New UI, yuck. App library looks yuck.
Oh shit! Nice.
But they have done some amazing stuff with the new update. So there are some basic changes now, and now they can do the voice to text thing on the iPhone
On
itself.
iPhones, yes.
Yeah,
That's
so
pretty good.
that's nice. That's nice. So your data doesn't have to go to the servers, and it's way faster.
Yeah, 100%.
And they have the new translation app. And okay, we had Google Translate as of now, but I haven't seen a lot of people test that app. But everyone says it's way faster and way better than Google Translate. So we'll have to check on that. Don't quote me on it, but it seems better. And even messages, the Messages iOS app got some updates, but I thought those features should already exist, like pinning a message, replying
Very
to
simple,
and mentioning
very
people.
simple things that we realized that iPhone never gave us, and now we're kind of enraged.
Uh-huh.
Shruti, okay, क्या कर रहे हो? It's like that.
Why not? I mean, we use this cafe times there,
Exactly.
and we just took it for granted, I guess.
Yeah,
And
that's right.
there are a lot of small changes. We'll go through it right now, and I'll come to the big changes in a while. But they also changed stuff in maps, काफी ज़्यादा.
Oh yeah,
So
yeah.
maps.
Dude, Apple Map. I couldn't believe people hated Apple Maps because I thought that Apple
Yeah.
Maps would be good, right? Because Apple.
So
and then I
the
realized it's
reason they
actually
hate
really
Apple
bad.
Maps is because Apple Maps is only targeting the US customers mostly. Like there is the India ka map, but I don't think it can do navigation and stuff in India.
Oh shit.
I'm not sure, but the
Damn.
last time I used Apple Maps, it couldn't do it. And so I never used the app, but I went to the US wala map section and it is amazing. Have you seen Street View Google ka?
Yeah.
The street view in Apple Maps is 100 times better
Yeah.
than Google wala.
Nice.
So it is good for the US customers, and that is their target base anyway for the
fair
first. That is their first target base anyway.
Yeah.
And now you can have guides and stuff. I mean, these are some minor changes, and I don't think people are going to use it here, like our target
India में
audience.
तो use नहीं
But
करेंगे, but US में people have been complaining a lot. So this move could be good
Yeah.
for Apple in the US. Really good.
and now they have added support for EV routing and stuff with
Mhm.
charging and elevation and bike routing and stuff.
EV,
which is
just
really
by the way,
nice.
EV means electric vehicle. So it's essentially going to take you through routes that will have charging stations for your electric vehicle, essentially.
Yeah, so that'll take range anxiety out. And the new CarPlay. Oh my god, the new CarPlay is amazing.
Okay.
So, okay. Yeah,
What is
so
CarPlay? I don't have.
I don't think yeah, so basically they said that CarPlay is used by everyone. I'm not sure about that, but they said it in the keynote. And now the minor things are it will have new wallpapers and categories in app, but now your iPhone can act like your car keys if you have CarPlay installed in your
I know
yeah.
that. I know that. It uses NFC.
So
I
it
think.
works in yeah, it uses NFC, and I think it's in new cars only, like the new BMW has it, but now you can just walk up to it without the keys. You can unlock it with NFC, and then you can keep your iPhone over there and the car starts. That's it.
Nice.
It works. And I had this idea for credit cards and debit cards, but now you can share car keys with people. I mean, I thought sharing
What?
cards would be more useful because your dad has to give you a card, and then instead of giving the card, he can just give you the permission to the card via Apple Pay
Fair
and stuff.
enough.
They haven't
Fair.
done it, but
That's a good idea.
sharing car keys seems nice. And with that, you can set up profiles that the car can't go above this speed limit, vagera, and stuff
Wow.
if you want, while
That's
sharing the
really
car
good.
keys with someone
That's really
else.
good.
That is amazing. Although there is one problem now. What if your phone gets stolen? You lose your wallet, you lose your phone, you lose your pictures, you lose
Yeah,
your camera,
yeah.
you lose your car keys. So you're screwed on another level.
Yeah.
And how do you get into the car if you
That-
lost your phone? Because what if
That's
you're
right.
in a shopping mall and you haven't brought the car keys? You just have your phone. Now you lost your phone, so how are you gonna unlock the car? Because
Yeah.
the car keys are at home, at your home. So I don't know.
Getting more
who's
and more
answering these
dependent
questions,
on
but
this metal slab in your pocket.
although car keys suck. They suck
Yeah, they
so
suck.
bad.
So I don't like keys at all.
It's-
I don't like putting keys in
I
the
don't
pocket
like
at all.
them
They
either.
hurt and they look weird in the pocket. It's weird. How are we still
Luckily, we
using
don't
keys?
have to
It's
use them in this
2020.
pandemic. ज़्यादा.
Yeah, that's right.
And the last update to the iOS specifically, we'll get into iPadOS, macOS, and tvOS, was the App Store. And there are some big changes. So the major thing is app clips, which is basically instant apps, Android Pay. and these
Oh,
are just
yeah.
shorter
Wait,
version of those
I,
apps.
I have never used app clips. on
Yeah,
Android.
exactly.
I don't
And
even
now
know
they're
they
gonna
exist.
and now I know they exist because I use Flipkart ka ek bar. This feature has been here for like 4 or 5 years for Android
Damn.
apps. Ki
What? I had no
if you
clue.
have to get a little part done, you can just download the instant app and it
Samjha
runs
mein.
instantly. It is instant. You just click on instant apps and it runs instantly.
What?
But no developer ever used it, and now Apple will push it ऐसा
हाँ,
एकदम ज़्यादा
Apple
कि
will push it.
you have to use it, and Yelp and stuff already has it.
What?
So
Yelp,
if you're
okay.
going to some restaurant, you can just scan the code and that restaurant का menu and order वाला part will launch Yelp के app के अंदर
Wow.
and the Yelp
That's so
app
good.
clip. So the restaurant owner doesn't have to code at all. So
Samjha
stuff
mein.
like this
That's so cool.
will be pushed by Apple काफी ज़्यादा, and you can use NFC or QR codes, the Apple generated QR codes for it.
Sheesh, man. I
And-
had no clue. Do you know how to use this in Android? Can I try this? Do you have any clue?
Yeah, you can try. You can just search. There are like a dozen of apps which have instant apps, so there is no
अच्छा.
developer
on the
support.
Play Store only.
So the app developer has to do it. Instant apps से पहले. So
Oh,
you
so-
see that install वाला button ना, उसके side में there is that instant app वाला button if the developer supports it.
I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
want to see
have you
it
seen
anywhere,
it?
but
No,
I'll
no one has
check
seen
it
it.
out. I'll check it out.
Yeah, you can Google. There are you can Google for a list of instant apps and then you'll
That's
find
nice.
them. But then again, no one has ever made it, and it was a really amazing feature. I don't know why
It is
developers
an amazing
did
feature.
that
It is
way.
an amazing feature.
Because I have that YOLO thingy in my area, the cycling wala.
You know, oh
They
yeah.
could have used that so much because their
Yeah.
app is like 40 or 50 MB and mobile data it takes like one couple of
Shit.
minutes to download and then you
Yeah.
have to sign up and scan.
Oh,
And
shit.
app clips, okay, so Google wale mein the problem was you still had to sign up and you still, so it took time anyway.
Okay.
So app clips can
Samjha.
use sign in with Apple and pay with Apple Pay. So it's just one click everything.
Man. See, that's the
That's
experience.
the
only-
thing you can do with the closed ecosystem, right?
That's
When you
right,
control
that's right.
everything.
Exactly. Sheesh.
So yeah, there is a lot of stuff that you can do with a closed ecosystem, and we'll come to it.
Mhm.